how to introduce the writing process to your students? It's right now. Hi guys, and welcome on the channel. My name is Mike, and this channel is here to help you with your English class, whatever if you're teaching ELA or ESL, online or offline. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay tuned when my videos come up. In this video, we're gonna see how to introduce the writing process to your student to get them ready to write. Start by explaining your students that they must think of writing as a skill. Just as you set aside time to improve your musical or athletic skills, do the same with writing. Keep sharp as well as in shape. Improvement will come if you make an honest effort. Then keep on asking your students to answer the following questions. Where should I write? Answers may vary, but they would mostly answer, I write at school. Tell them the different ways they can write throughout their school day. Take classroom notes. Keep a learning log in each of your classes. Complete writing assignments and papers. They might also answer, I write at home. Tell them that writing in their spare time can help them gain fluency, the ability to write quickly and easily. Here are ways to write at home. Write email, messages, and letters. Keep a writer's notebook. Create short stories and poems. Finally, tell them that they can write on the bus or in a coffee shop. Keep writing wherever you can. Another question that you must ask them is, what should I write about? After they answer, tell them that they can write about anything or everything. The more they write, the more they learn. Give them a few examples that they can write about. Write about your observations. What is happening around you? What do you think about what is happening? They can write about their memories. What was the best moment of your day, of your week, of your year, of your holiday? Or what was the worst moment? They can write about people. What person means the most to you? What person do you admire? Your favorite player, singer, musician, or what sort of people you don't understand?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Write about places. Where are you right now? Where do you wish you were? Or where do you never want to be again? Write about things. What is your favorite object or your least favorite? Write about an invention you would like to create and why.
Let's see. Oh wow, it worked!
Write about your hopes, your dreams, your feelings. What do you want in life? What makes you happy or sad in this world or in your life? What do you wish for your future? To conclude with how to introduce the writing process, make them understand that writing isn't an academic subject that you must do and feel it's more of a constraint than anything else. Remember your students that more they practice writing, more they learn. They can get more knowledge, and knowledge is power. Hope you like this first video in this video series about the writing process. Next video is gonna be about the first part of the writing process, pre-writing. So don't forget to subscribe and give some likes. If you don't want to miss the next video, hit that notification bell so that you will know when the next video will come up. I'm actually preparing some ebooks for you to help you with your classroom management. So don't forget to go on Mikeshomeesl.com. It's gonna appear right here. And I'll see you in another video. ESL Power, ELA Power. Together, we're stronger. Teachers in front.